Exercise 2.8. Here we have a grade list that we need to calculate the final marks and determine whether that's a pass or not. This is not new. We know now we should use the average function to calculate the final marks. And there's no $sign needed. We just need to drag it downwards. Okay, the next step is to determine whether it's a pass or not. And here is the threshold 5.5. If someone achieves a 5.5 or higher than 5.5, then we should give the outcome as pass, otherwise fail. With the if function, we can easily do that. We start with the logical test. The logical test will test whether the final marks, we have to select the cell, is larger than or equal to. In this case, remember to use the equal sign. So some cases probably 5.5 is not included, but in this case it is. And remember, if you use two operators, then you need to make sure the equal sign is behind the greater than or less than symbol. So the E2 is greater than or equal to 5.5, and value if true is pass, and if not the case, then we give fail. Okay, that's it. And of course we need some $signs to make sure it still works when we drag it downwards. Should we fix E2? No. How about C12? Yes, we fix it by row. So does B13 and B14. Okay, we have a pass here, and let's check all the others. 5.4 is a fail, and all the others are passes. Okay, perfect. This is exercise 2.8. I will see you in the next video.